Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in PlayStation account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. PlayStation is a video gaming brand that was developed by Sony Computer Entertainment. To log into PlayStation account, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.playstation.com. Then press on enter. Now here you need to select your country or region. So to select your country or region, click on your country or region. With that you'll be guided to PlayStation's website. Now here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in option. Then here you can see the sign in page. Now here you need to first enter your sign in ID or your email address on the given box. If you are having trouble signing in, then click on trouble signing in. Or if you want to know more about Sony account, then click on about Sony account. After entering your ID, click on next. Now here you need to enter your password of your account. Click on the password box and enter your password to your PlayStation account. Then after entering your password, click on sign in. Now you'll receive a verification email from PlayStation. So go to your Gmail and look for the email sent by PlayStation. Then open the given email. Now copy the verification code. After copying the verification code, go back to PlayStation website and enter the code on the given box. If you didn't receive the code, click on resend code. After entering the code, click on verify. With that, you will be logged into your PlayStation account. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is how we can log in PlayStation account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.